Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper on a 2016 Honda Fit. Start out by removing the clips on the top of the bumper using a flathead or a clip tool. They are just the standard Honda clips, and you remove them by prying out on the center. And popping the center out and then just pulling out on it. And then take this upper sight shield off, and there's one more clip underneath here that needs to come out. And your upper portion is loose now. Next, come around to the side of the bumper, and we're going to take out this screw here and this one that goes up into the fender here, and they are both Phillips screws. Once you have both those out, come up to where the bumper meets the fender and take a thin, small plastic pry tool. You can get these off Amazon. I'll post a link in the description below where you can get these. And what we're gonna do is, with one hand, pull out on the bumper just a little bit, and then with the other, take it, and we're gonna release the bumper from the plastic bracket that's underneath the bumper cover right here. There's little tabs that hold the bumper in, and we're just pressing down on the tabs, releasing the bumper. And I believe there's 3 of them on each side. Okay, yeah. So yeah, I got all 3 out. And that's the notches that the tabs are seated in. Now you're gonna wanna do this exact same thing on the other side also. And next thing you wanna do is climb underneath the bumper. And we are underneath the bumper on the passenger side. This is on the very end of the bumper. We're gonna wanna take out this clip here. And then take out this Phillips screw over here on the just on the inside a little bit. And that's all we need to take out on the end on the passenger side. Now we're gonna work our way towards the middle of the bumper. And there's 3 clips just like above that we need to take out. And these clips on the bottom can get pretty grimy with road debris, and little pebbles get in there and they just get old and brittle. If you do end up breaking them, you can get these off Amazon. They're fairly cheap. I'll put a link in the description where you can get these. And this is our last clip in the middle portion. And then you just want to go down to the driver's side underneath the bumper and do exactly like we did on the passenger side, just the clip and then the screw also. And once you have all the fasteners, clips, and screws out of the bumper, just go around to the edges and pull directly back towards yourself, and the bumper will come right off. And make sure if it has fog lights, to go around and remove the wires before we go yanking it too far. And these come off by just pushing on the tab and pulling down. That's it, guys. Front bumper's off. Thanks for watching.